Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy steals in 2K. Mastering the art of the steal can dramatically change the outcome of your games. It's not just about pressing a button, it's about understanding the game's mechanics and your player's capabilities. We'll cover everything from essential attributes to advanced techniques, helping you become a defensive menace on the virtual court. Get ready to disrupt your opponents and create fast break opportunities. To truly excel at stealing, focus on key player attributes and badges. A high steal rating, ideally 85 or above, is your foundation. Pair this with a strong perimeter defense to stay glued to your opponent. Crucially, the glove badge significantly enhances your steal animations and overall success rate, making you a much more effective ball hawk. These elements combine to give you a significant advantage. Now, let's dive into effective steal techniques. One of the best ways is to anticipate passes and position yourself in passing lanes for easy interceptions. Also, look for opportunities when the ball handler is in the middle of an animation, like a dribble move or a shot fake. Their ball security is weakest then. Remember, avoid spamming the steal button to prevent unnecessary fouls and stay in the game. Finally, situational awareness is key to maximizing your steal opportunities. Opponents with low stamina are more prone to losing the ball, so target them. Aggressively guarding inbound passes can often lead to quick, easy steals right after a score. Pay close attention to your opponent's tendencies. Do they always pass to a certain player or favor a specific dribble move? Predicting their actions will give you a huge edge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.